Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. It's a Lariat edition. A 6.7 liter diesel engine. It's a legendary Powerstroke. That's running smooth, so I'll go ahead and close this up. And the LED lights don't flicker to the human eye. That's just a refresh rate of my camera, by the way. It does have the tow hooks up front. Got your fog lights, polished aluminum alloy wheels, fixed running boards. This one does have the blind spot monitors. It also has the bedliner spray on, and it has tailgate step. So I'll go ahead and pull that out. Tow package. Power sliding back window. This one also has dual sunroofs. Go ahead and show you the interior. Those dual sunroofs right there. As you come down, you're also going to see this back row has heated seats and additional power supplies back here. Here's your keyless entry. Just out of the VIN right there. Here's your driver presets. As we look down here, we're going to see that it has 54,653 miles on this vehicle. Okay, cruise control, your push to talk, your infotainment and trip computer toggles. There's your push button start right here. Key fob is right there's your key fob. As you come over here to your stereo, you're going to see your sources are AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. For your climate controls, you'll see that it does have a heated steering wheel and navigation. There's your map right there. Then here are your additional apps and settings. As you come down here, you'll see that it has heated and cooled seats up front. Here are your 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive toggles, your trailering. And right here's your phone charging station with 2 USB ports, cup holders, and then down in here you're going to have additional stowage. Up top you're going to have the controls for your sunroofs, and here are your upfitter switches. And then you'll also have your switch for your power sliding back window. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here up front that went from the driver front quarter panel to the passenger front quarter panel. The airbag's deployed, but there is no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. Has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.